Hi there, and now we're going to test another interesting feature of this robot, which is the event-driven sampling. I'm simply going to wash my hands with some disinfection, and we will see how it responds and grabs the sample automatically. When we do these kind of measurements, good to know that the robot has a battery pack, of course, so you don't need power cords, etc. It could be used for a day, so it's no problem to move it around. Now we've assembled the robot close to the water lock, and the idea here now is that I should wash my hands with some disinfection, and then we will see how that peak will develop and how the robot automatically, without me giving instructions to it, will sample. Let's do it. Okay, so now I'm gonna wash my hands, and I'm gonna take some disinfection like that and turn on the water so the water lock is now filled up. And normally you don't really use water when you have done the disinfection, but I'm going to do that anyway now. And I'm going to wash my hands like this and let the water run a little bit more. So the water lock is constantly replenished with new water all the time. And now let's go to see if we can grab that scent. First, we have to go through what to expect from these graphs in the computer. When I'm washing my hands, the volatile organic compounds will leave my hands, go down in the drain, and the robot will sniff it. So that is measured inside the photoionization detector, which is abbreviated PID. This will start to increase a spike like this. And then it will go down like this. And this also illustrates how quickly a scent appears and how quickly a scent disappears. And therefore it's very hard to measure this. So the sampler, which is beneath, has no flow to start with. And when it reaches this peak, it will go up like this. And it creates a square shape like this and go down. And thereby we have now grabbed the peak. Okay, so we're back, and now let's look at the computer and see if we have grabbed the sample automatically. So in order to set this up, you use a function in ThingSpeak that is called react. So we have put in a limit on the, or a trigger on the VOC sensor that it should sample when it gets above a certain level. And it looks promising. I think it's actually simple as that.